In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Peace be upon you. I hope you are doing well. Today, I will provide you with a detailed lesson on Arabic letters. We will learn about the Arabic alphabet, how to write the letters, and their pronunciation. Let's get started. The Arabic alphabet consists of 28 letters. They are written from right to left. Here is a list of the Arabic letters along with examples of how to write them and their pronunciation. 1. Aleph, written as and pronounced as Aleph. Example, father. 2. Ba, written as and pronounced as ba. Example, bait, house. 3. Ta, written as and pronounced as ta. Example, tafaha, apple. 4. The, written as and pronounced as the. Example, thalatha, 3. 5. Jim, written as and pronounced as jim. Example, jamal, camel. 6. Ha, written as and pronounced as ha. Example, haba, seed. 7. Ka, written as and pronounced as ka. Example, kabir, expert. 8. Dal, written as and pronounced as dal. Example, dars, lesson. 9. Dal, written as and pronounced as dal. Example, dahab, gold. 10. Ra, written as and pronounced as ra. Example, Rama, mercy. 11. Zay, written as and pronounced as zay. Example, Zara, flower. 12. Seen, written as and pronounced as seen. Example, Sama, sky. 13. Sheen, written as and pronounced as sheen. Example, Shams, sun. 14. Sad, written as and pronounced as sad. Example, sane, plate. 15. Dad, written as and pronounced as dad. Example, Dave, guest. 16. Taa, written as and pronounced as taa. Example, tair, bird. 17. Za, written as and pronounced as za. Example, zalam, darkness. 18. Ein, written as and pronounced as ein. Example, ein, eye. 19. Gain, written as and pronounced as gain. Example, gaba, forest. 20. Fa, written as and pronounced as fa. Example, farah, joy. 21. Calf, written as and pronounced as calf. Example, kalam, pen. 22. Cough, written as and pronounced as cough. Example, kitab, book. 23. Lamb, written as and pronounced as lamb. Example, layl, night. 24. Meme, written as and pronounced as meme. Example, ma, water. 25. Noon, written as and pronounced as noon. Example, nar, fire. 26. Ha, written as and pronounced as ha. Example, huda, guidance. 27. Vav, written as and pronounced as vav. Example, watan, homeland. 28. ya, written as, and pronounced as ya. Example, yad, hand. I hope this lesson helps you understand how to write and pronounce the Arabic letters. Feel free to practice writing and pronouncing the letters correctly. With time and regular practice, you will notice improvement. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I would be happy to assist you. Best regards. Your name.